Join me today for some fun combo steps. All right, let's get started. Let's start with a health bounce. Pushing down on the mat, engaging that core, relax the shoulders there, down and back. All right, pushing down. First two steps is going to be your health bounce to a basic bounce. Let's go. Bring your arms to the side, circle. You can lift your heels a little bit, just pumping the lymphatic system. Get the juices flowing. Let's go. Backwards. Now up, push up, alternating arms. And two, basic bounce. Here we go, basic bounce. Easy first combo. Second combo. Ready? Gonna be your heels and your toes. Heels. Your heel dig. To your toe taps. All right, use your arms now. And toe taps. Just warming up the body. We want healthy joints. We want good circulation. We want to remove the stress. That's your second combo, the heels and the toes. We want improved flexibility. All right, shake it out for a second. We want to get rid of the stress. Get rid of all the stress. We're going to go to our third combo in just a minute. Don't forget to breathe. Okay, shake that out a minute. We're going to go to the next one. Your next set of combo steps is going to be your half jack to a full jack. So, out half. And when you're ready, you're gonna go to full jack. Let's do jumping jacks, let's go. Pop the legs up. Working all 638 muscles in our bodies today for more energy. Half jack. Boosting our immune system today, stimulating all those cells, getting those toxins out to a full jack. Let's go. Yes. Good. All right, let's go to scissors. Next combo. Scissors, pop the legs up. To corner heels. All right, keep it going. All right, scissors. You can do doubles. To corner heels. Next combo, knees up to a quick run. Ready for the quick run? Low quick run, let's go. Let's go, quick, quick. All right, knees up. Getting a little cardio. Getting those toxins out. We don't want them, right? Let's go. Quick run. Come on. You got this. Yeah. Very good. Shake it out. Next combo, serve to twist. Serve, push to the left, to the right. Again. And the other side. To twist. Keep it low. Okay. Surf. To twist. Good. Next combo. Low kicks. Quick. To the front. In to the back. Front. Really engage that core on this one. Lean back just slightly. And to the back. Squeeze the glute as you kick back. All right, good. And shake that out. Yeah, shake it out. One song left. How many minutes? Okay, hopscotch. Remember the hopscotch, 2 and 1? Okay, 2 and 1. Oh, forgot to tell you what the combo was. So this combo is hopscotch to heel toe, a different heel toe though than the one we did earlier. Like this. Add a little bounce. But soften the knee a little bit on the leg you're standing on. Don't want to put pressure on that knee. Switch. Good. Hopscotch. All right, shake it out. Oh, I said that was the last song, but you know me, right? I never want to quit because it gives you energy. It gets those endorphins up. All right. Pendulum. Hold on to the bar if you have it, if you need to. To a happy monkey. Oh yeah, this one's gonna get your heart rate up. Happy monkey. Remember the happy monkey? This one really works the waist and the obliques. Yeah, pendulum, pendulum swing. Oh yeah, happy monkey. Now if you just want to do a pull down like this, you can do that too. But you want to make it more fun, you do happy monkey. It's fun, right? Okay, how about the rocking horse? Switch legs. Finish with a joyful jump. Oh yeah, little joyful jump to the end, and we're good. Good. Oh, wasn't that fun? Of course it was. And we are through for the day. Those were our combos. I hope you enjoyed it. Whoa, don't lose your balance, Cheryl. Okay, see you next time. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment below, and share for someone who needs to get a rebounder. God bless you. Bye-bye.